Hello and welcome back to the Ramayana stories on Zoom In Crazy Mother. The chapter today we have is Ram returns to Ayodhya. After 14 years of Vanvas and killing of Ravan, Ram and Sita's return was celebrated as the victory of good over evil. Vibhishan, along with Hanuman and other warriors, prepared to welcome Sita to the camp where Ram awaited his wife's return. The army of monkeys was curious to catch a glimpse of Sita. Before returning to Ayodhya, amidst the army of monkeys and other warriors, Sita underwent Agni Pariksha, an ordeal by fire, after Ram asked her to prove her purity. What followed was a miracle. Sita emerged from the flames untouched. To celebrate the death of Ravan, the demon king, Brahma and Indra, along with all the Devas, gathered to express their gratitude to Ram and sang praises of his greatness. Dashrath, Ram's father, came to bless his son from the heavens above. Ram received the blessings humbly. 14 years of exile were drawing to a close. A worried Ram met Vibhishan and said, "We have one more day to complete our 14 years of exile. If I am unable to reach Ayodhya in good time, my brother Bharat will get very anxious. Could you please arrange for the Pushpak Viman flying chariot at once?" Without further delay, the Viman was presented before Ram. He asked Vibhishan, Sugriv, Hanuman, Jambhavana, Angad, and the entire army of monkeys to board the flying chariot. Then Ram mounted the flying chariot, followed by his brother Lakshman and wife Sita. During this journey, Ram showed Sita the Rishyamukha mountains, Dandakavan, and a few other prominent spots. Meanwhile, Hanuman flew ahead to Ayodhya to announce their arrival. Bharat, who had been anxiously waiting for Ram's arrival, breathed a sigh of relief. Not long after, the Pushpak Viman landed at Nandigram. On reaching Ayodhya, Ram touched the feet of Guru Vashisht and sought his blessings. Ram then greeted his three mothers, Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra, with respect and affection. Turning to Bharat and Shatrughan, Ram embraced his brothers lovingly. With tears of joy in his eyes, Bharat returned the Charan Paduka, wooden clogs, to Ram. This union after 14 years was memorable. Using his yogic powers, Ram soon assumed diverse forms and split into several parts so that he could greet all the people who had assembled to welcome him. Ram's reunion with his mother Kaikeyi was a sight to behold. Later, the coronation of Ram was celebrated with great pomp and show in Ayodhya. Ram's rule restored peace, prosperity, and happiness in his kingdom and the entire universe. So this is the end of this chapter. You can also listen to the previous chapters and the Ramayana stories on my channel, Zoom In Crazy Mother. Do like, subscribe, and share my channel on YouTube and Instagram, Zoom In Crazy Mother. We'll come back with the next chapter soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.